Good day. Welcome to the assessment of NC3 animation. So, for the unit of produce, cleaned up, and in-between drawing. So, my name is Albert Tan, your accredited assessor. And before we start with our assessment, I will collect your admission slip. Thank you. So, before we start, I want you to fill up the attendance sheet. Thank you. So, before we proceed to the assessment, I will give you your self-assessment guide to identify your background knowledge about today's assessment. So for today's assessment is produce, cleaned up, and in-between drawings. So the purpose of our today's assessment is to identify if you are competent to produce, cleaned up, and in-between drawings. So now, the qualification that you are applying for is NC3 animation, and here are the qualification or our competencies. We have the common competencies. We have the basic competencies. And for our core competencies, we have core competency. The first one is producing key drawings for the key animation. Number 2 is producing cleaned up and in-between drawings. For the third one is creating 2D digital animation. And the last one is using an authoring tool to create an interactive sequence. But for today's assessment, we will focus on producing cleaned up and in-between drawings. So, bago tayo magsimula sa ating assessment, I would like you to remind about the rules of our assessment. Number 1 is, before we start, pwede kayo magtanong sa akin. Pero once na mag-start na tayo, bawal na magtanong bago na kayo guide. And bago tayo mag-start, kung may mga katanungan kayo, pwede nyo ako tanungin. And ayun lang. So before we start, I will give you your competency assessment agreement sheet. Kindly read and sign. Okay, thank you. So let's now proceed to the assessment. So this is your workstation, and this is our floor plan. And for the tools and materials, you will be using a model sheet, pencil, eraser, and sharpener. And I will now tell the instruction for your assessment, so please listen carefully. For the number 1, you are required to produce a cleaned up drawing from rough gift poses provided, and provide in-between drawings between T1 and T2 following the exposure sheet. And ensure the drawings follow the correct timing, spacing, character proportions, and animation breakdown. And interpret and correct any unclear key drawings. So, do you guys have any question before we start? Okay, thank you. Your assessment starts now. Okay, time's up. Please pass your drawings. So let's now proceed to the oral questioning. So Mr. Rivera, for our question, so what do you think is the importance of cleaned up in between drawings?
The importance of cleanup drawings is to have accuracy in every line you write.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Simon?
Applying the drawings.
Okay, thank you. So that ends our assessment performance, and so I will now gather and review your evidences. So let's now proceed to the feedback and result of your assessment. So Mr. Rivera, you need to improve on your control in smooth area and must check character proportions. And for Mr. Simon, you demonstrated clean and consistent line work and accurate interpretation of the drawings. So congratulations, Mr. Simon, you are found competent in produce cleaned up in between drawings. And Mr. Rivera, I'm sorry to tell you, you are not yet competent for producing cleaned up and in between drawings. But don't worry, improvements are necessary, and you can always reassess naman kung sa tingin mo ready ka na ulit magpa-evaluate. Thank you. So I will now give your the competency assessment result summary. Please read and sign. Mr. Rivera. Okay, thank you. I will now review and compile all your assessment documents, including the attendance sheet, rating sheet, your assessment drawing, and your cars and artworks. And sir, here is the documents of the candidates that we have. I have already checked and validated the documents, and I recommend them for the issuance of their national certificate, and I think they are competent based on their performance. Thank you. So thank you everyone for participating with our today's assessment, and that would be all. Thank you.